think she's very good over bridges.
She's not very good over bridges.
Bridge.
The question is, we're getting into the, it's getting a bit dull here.
Yay!
Question is, what do you think of the beard? The beard is coming on, ready for Christmas. We're going to have to bleach it at this rate, that's for certain. Just come for a walk around Longton Park to enjoy the autumn colours. Stick a video together. Got the drone with me. Lily's on her hoverboard. What's what, kid? That's a magpie.
Don't do that thing.
You have to go spit and salute him. We salute you, Mr. Magpie. No idea why, for bad luck. Else it's bad luck.
Ready?
So yeah, we've come for a wander around the park. Got the drone. There's some kind of fatey, annoying stalls up the top, so we couldn't film there. So yeah, we'll come have a wander around. There we go. Got horror characters. There you go. My goodness, that is scary. So yes, so we were rudely interrupted by two horror characters. One was Chucky, can't remember the other one. Obviously some kind of Halloween theme in Longton Park at the moment. They've got like a little train going round with all decorations on. But I want to get the colours of the trees before the leaves have gone. I'm going to take the drone up in a bit when we get to the top half. Yeah, just a bit of B-roll around the park. It's been a couple of weeks since I was out camping with the lads. I've got this week off. Got a Halloween party, so we're going to do some filming then. And then hopefully on Friday, me and Lily are going indoor skydiving in Manchester. So hopefully get some footage of that as well. Yeah, hope you enjoy our little trip around the park. Lily, as you've noticed, is on the hoverboard and she's a lot more confident than when we were here originally in the summer. But it's chilly, it's a beautiful day. Right, back to filming the trees. Right, here we are at the park again, 24 hours later. No gimbal, so slightly bouncy footage. I will try stabilise it in Power Director. Reason we've had to come back out is because some numpty forgot to press record on the drone, and I want to get some footage of the trees and lovely autumn colours, so just been back to the park. And where are you off to now, Lil?
Dentist.
She's going to the dentist now. So yeah, we've got the footage, we can stick the video together. Busy week ahead of us. It's now Monday, half term week, kids are off. We've got Halloween party, obviously on Halloween. Might do some filming then. Manchester end of the week, we're hoping to go indoor skydiving on Friday. And then on Saturday we've got a firework and light display at Rudyard Reservoir. Thank you very much for all the new subscribers, much appreciated. Up to 264 now, which is brilliant. Obviously comments always appreciated as well. Catch you again soon, and as always, thanks very much and stay safe. Bye.